Okay, so we're going to do something called a talking mat. A talking mat is basically just a supported conversation, so we can use it to map out some of the ideas that we're going to talk about. And we're going to have a chat about readiness for AAC. Now, AAC stands for Augmentative and Alternative Communication, and that basically just means different ways of communicating other than using your speech. And we all do this a lot of the time anyway. So when we use gestures, when we use our tone of voice, when we use writing, it's thinking about all these different ways of communicating. So along the top, we'll have a scale, and that will be things you're feeling okay with down this side, and things you're feeling not okay with over on this side, and somewhere in the middle we'll go here. So we've got a bit of a scale, and you've got all this space to use on the mat. So feeling okay with, not okay with, or somewhere in the middle. So how would you feel about getting some information about AAC? Okay, so you're more leaning towards a feeling okay about that. How would you feel about exploring the AAC options available? So that might be having a discussion with some professionals, seeing some of the products that might be available. Okay, so leaning towards the middle with that one. How do you feel about trying out some AAC? That might be trying a communication book, or it might be trying a computer with voice output. How do you feel about that? Okay, that one's leaning a little bit more, not feeling quite so okay about that. How would you feel about learning to use a new AAC system? Not feeling so okay about that one. Okay. How do you feel about the support you have to help you with AAC? Feeling okay with that? And how do you feel about using AAC in your daily life? Somewhere in the middle with that one. Now, some people might have something called an AAC assessment. This is when you can meet with professionals and you can look at what AAC options might be available and choose one that might be right for you. How would you feel about having an AAC assessment? Okay, somewhere in the middle, feeling fairly okay with that one. Is there anything else that I've missed off this mat that you'd like me to add? Okay, so you've told me that you're not feeling okay about learning something new. You're leaning a little bit towards the middle with trying out some AAC and using AAC in your daily life, somewhere in the middle. Going towards things that you're starting to feel okay about is the AAC options, having a look at those. You're feeling slightly more okay about having an AAC assessment, and also about getting some more information about AAC. And you're feeling okay with the support that you've got to help you with your AAC. Okay, thank you for doing that. That's really helpful. Is there anything there that you would like perhaps to talk about a little bit more, or anything that we can do to explore any of these things? Okay. So exploring perhaps what AAC assessment might involve, and we can look to see how to explore that with you.